Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Gaurav Kumar, serial entrepreneur and an author, and Hansika Chandiramani, a veteran celebrity manager, the people behind FitTalks. Welcome guys, welcome. You know, everybody has this question, you guys want to be... Everybody has this question that, how did you think of this particular product? FitTalks 30-day detox.
I think Hansika can answer this.
I got married recently, and like you were just mentioning, even I wanted to look thin, and you know, everybody wants to look thin. After I got married, I gained a lot of weight.
She got married in a Punjabi family.
Yes, so I was dealing with that, and we travel a lot for work, and I realized that T-Talks is very big internationally. There are a lot of things available there, but nothing similar is here. And we wanted to bring something, but with the wellness of Ayurveda in it, because our country is known for that. So we decided to get a product that helps you get fit and retain the love for chai that every Indian likes.
And you know what, before you launch a product, you need somebody, a guinea pig. She herself was a guinea pig. We saw that because, you know, when she was actually eating Maggie and I'm going in the afternoon, she was stuffing herself with food and I'm going, hey, you've lost weight. Kuch kar rahi ho? To maine bola, kya kar rahi hai? So she said, I have this particular plan which I'm going to disclose in a very few days. And this is what it is, and also gives not just the weight loss, it also gives you a nice glow, which you both of you have it. And without further ado, I'm going to call on stage the brand ambassador of FitTalks, ladies and gentlemen, known to be one of industry's fittest, best singer, actress, and former VJ, the ravishing and super fit Felice. Welcome Sophie, and welcome all you lovely girls as well. Sophie.
First of all, thank you everyone for coming. मैं दो चीजें कहना चाहूँगी. मैं भी पंजाबी हूँ और ढोल के बगैर कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. And second of all, last year there was a lot of rumors about me getting married when my song was about to launch. सारे मीडिया ने मेरी शादी करवा दी थी सजन मैं नाचूंगी के टाइम पे. तो मैंने सोचा तब rumors थे, अब मैं बाराती में हूँ साथ में.
बारातियों के साथ आपने सहेलियां भी ले आई हैं.
बिल्कुल. I'm really happy to have my beautiful friends here because the whole point about this product, which is FitTalks, is I think हर लड़की का ख्वाब होता है to have a Manish Malhotra outfit and to have a flat stomach. And my beautiful friends today have been dressed by the one and only Manish Malhotra. And FitTalks is what's gonna get them even fitter than they are. So thank you so much. As I'm gonna go through all the names. Shrujata from Bollywood Live. We've got the lovely, I'm going to go through this, Esha from the Style Company. We've got Rishita from Miss Mavani, and we've got Shreya from Pink Villa. And these girls are lovely and so well known at what they do, and they all came on board. They all came on board because they, hopefully, just like me, believe in this product and wanted to do something exciting. So can we have a huge round of applause for these beautiful girls looking fabulous? Thank you so much girls. I want you guys to take a seat right here. And I'm going to call you back in a bit. Thank you so much, beautiful girls. Thank you. And
welcome, Sophie.
Thank you. I want to say a quick thanks.
Of course.
Thank you.
All you girls are looking lovely and you're looking stunning as always, Sophie. Sophie, how do you feel to be the brand ambassador of FitTalks?
Say is, yes, I am really proud to be the brand face and the ambassador of FitTalks. But the only way I can prove to you that I really believe in the product is by telling you that I'm not only the face, I'm a partner in this product. So I am not only the face of the product, I've invested my own money into FitTalks because I believe in it so much. So the amazing thing is, about 6 months ago when Gaurav and Hansika came to meet me, they had an idea, they didn't have a name, they didn't have the final product, they had been working on it, but there was no finished product, and they said to me, we want you to be the face of this product. उन्होंने आइडिया सुनाया, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. I said, can I get more involved? And that is how I actually became a partner in FitTalks. And I don't know if you all had any other.
She was the only choice, and we and Gaurav were like, we'll just go to her and we're just hoping she'll come on board. We had no second options. And she agreed for much more. So.
Yeah.
And she has value added so much because of her love for tea. It's really a blessing for us that she's on board for this.
And she believes in fitness absolutely.
Well,
It's
yeah.
quite evident as well. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I think that in today's day and age, we all live in a very toxic age. We're always talking about being stressed and living in a polluted environment, and our bodies, you know, with our hectic work schedules, we never take care of anything. And everybody wants to detox. But the thing is, nobody knows how to detox. Everyone thinks that detoxing is either starving or two, it's juicing. And apart from that, you're going to be miserable. मतलब भूख लगेगी, depression हो जाएगा, लेकिन detox हो जाएगा. But I don't believe in that. I'm a girl who's never believed in starving. I believe in leading a fit, healthy lifestyle. And this was the perfect way to marry two things that I love, which is herbal tea, chai, tea, and fitness, which is how we came up with fitness, with Fitox. And this product, I guarantee you, will for sure help you to lose weight, get rid of water retention, get rid of bloating, which you get from eating all that naughty desi khana. It'll also help you look better, feel better, sleep better, give you more energy. And these are proven things. This is what we've worked on, and I think I'm a living example. People have been telling me in the last few months, how are you looking better, how are you looking fitter? And this is
Fitox it is. So one more feather to Sophie's hat. So we've got singer, actress, former VJ, and also now an entrepreneur as well.
Yes.
Congratulations on
Thank
a
you.
new phase of life. Yeah?
Thank you.
Alright, without further ado, we now like to invite India's another product, the much awaited Fit. Congratulations, Gaurav. Congratulations, Sophie.
Their bodies have transformed, and it's not just because of the workout, it's because of her fitness mantra about how to lead life. And I couldn't think of anybody more perfect to be with her on my big day, because if she thinks this is something positive, it's going to influence a lot of people. And I know that Yaz has a lot of faith in me. I would never come up with something that doesn't work. Right?
I actually call Sophie my personal police, क्योंकि वो हर चीज़ में एग्जैक्ट होती है, और कभी अगर मैं लेट आ जाऊँ जिम में तो मेरी तो खैर नहीं, इसलिए आज मैं टाइम पे आई, and Sophie was late, so I was really happy. But the one thing about Sophie is that वो कुछ भी करती है तो वो बहुत ही डिटेल में जाके मेक श्योर करती है कि वहाँ कुछ गलत ना हो. तो आई थिंक विद दिस टी आई टोटली सपोर्ट सोफी. अगर कोई और होता तो सोचना पड़ता, मगर क्योंकि ये सोफी है, मुझे पता है कि उसने हर एक चीज़ को क्वेश्चन किया होगा, आजमाया होगा, और फिर ही वो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनी है. सो यस सोफी, आई लव यू. I'm sure I'm going to enjoy the tea and all the best.
Thank you for being here. Thank you, Yazu.
Yes, Hansika's nodding. Yeah, she did ask a lot of questions. Sophie did bombard us with a lot of questions. Well, request all four of you to please be.
Perfect blend. Gaurav, you want to start?
So basically it was a massively long process. I flew all over the country to find the right kind of tea, the right kind of ingredients, and in the middle of that journey, Sophie came on board and added her bit, and finally we have what we have today. So
I think the amazing thing, and I got asked this question a little bit earlier today, is we in India sometimes underestimate the value of Ayurveda. We have people from the West coming here telling us how fabulous India is and it's magical because of Ayurveda. And for some reason, we are always looking to the West for solutions. The idea of a detox internationally is not something new, but there's never been an Ayurvedic detox, and there's never been one made in India. And that's what makes this very unique. So the perfect blend means we've really got, everything in it is good for you. It's you know, herbs, everything natural, and it's just in the right quantities so that it balances out the idea of increasing your metabolism, being a fat burner, but at the same time being great for your skin, helping you sleep, helping you de-stress. So it's all natural herbs, and when you actually see the packet, the herbs and everything are listed. We're just not going to tell you कि कितना किस चीज़ का क्या पड़ा है, because वो हमारा secret है. But we really had to work on it and try it out ourselves and see how it's reacting on us and people that we know, and that is how we got the perfect. And apart from that corner, any other benefits for the health?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, definitely. Hanska, you want to say? Should I start?
One of the best and the most important benefit that I think all girls want to hear, it helps you get a clear skin. It helps you get rid of blemishes, pimples, it clears your system, it helps you glow. So that's one of the biggest benefits. You definitely, so our tea is in 2 packets. One is the morning tea and one is the night blend. So the night blend also helps you sleep better, relax. So everybody in our stressful life, you know, it always helps that when you can sleep better, you have a better start to your day. And the morning tea helps you increase, you know, the whole day you'll feel fresh and much more active with the morning blend of tea.
I think one of the things that happened was after coming up with all our various permutations, combinations to get the right taste, when I finally got sent the actual packet to try it, and I had my first tea, I called up Gaurav, I was like, yaar, ye to bahut hi achhi hai. Like, it just tasted so good, and that meant a lot. But when you're talking about additional benefits, I think something like I said we all suffer from in this crazy lifestyle is definitely bloating and definitely water retention, and people are forever trying to figure how to do it. They're trying to make concoctions at home, but here you just have a tea bag, you add hot water, and it's done. So I think that's one of the best benefits. And I've been more energetic in my workouts also.
I'm just trying to think when you want.
Tell me, how does it work? Is it like green tea you have to use? And are there any side effects of that?
Sorry, what was the first part of the question?
How do we have to use it? How does it work? Like green tea?
Yeah, in terms of you make it like a green tea, it's a tea bag and you add hot water. It works very differently to a green tea in that this has white tea, which is the most premium tea you can get, along with oolong, which is a known fat burner, with all the other herbs which give you the additional benefits. And in terms of side effects, there's none. And yeah, that we've got all that cleared and sorted. There's actually no side effects because it is Ayurvedic and it is herbal, and that's the best part.
You can even have this daily. It has 21 Ayurvedic ingredients. It's very safe and very herbal. So you don't really have to worry about any side effects.
My question is for Suti. Why did you choose this brand?
I think the brand chose me. I didn't choose the brand. I've done a lot of digital work with this team. And one day they just said, you know, we want to meet you for something a little bit different. And I had just gotten back from abroad and we sat down and we all ordered tea, funnily enough, herbal tea. And I was like, oh, I love herbal tea. In fact, I've been caffeine free for the last few months. And they were like, that's really good because we're coming to you with a tea. And I said, what do you need? And Hansika and Gaurav gave me their idea. And it just seemed like the perfect fit because this is genuinely something I believe in. This year I gave up dairy. I think dairy is just not good for you. And I know it's really difficult because we have a huge culture of chai. Doodh wali, chini wali chai. And in fact, when we were making this tea, I'm not expecting people to replace their regular tea. But I'm hoping they introduce this as what they have first thing in the morning because it's better for you. And just to suit the Indian palate, we gave it a little kick of sweetness, which I'm sure you all notice at the end when you have it. It just has that touch of sweetness, which is not from sugar. It's pure natural. But I think I chose this blend because I think in this day and age, people really want to be fit. Wellness, health and fitness are 3 of the most important things. And I'm someone who's never believed in starving or fat diets or exercising crazily for a week and then letting it go. I believe in a lifestyle and I believe in consistency. But I also believe we sometimes all need that extra boost from within to feel good inside out. And I thought that, you know, a tea talks is the healthiest way and the best way to combine my love of tea and fitness.
Yasmin, what fitness month you want to give to Sophie? What fitness month you want to give to Sophie?
What fitness mantra? I have only one fitness mantra. Be fit because you deserve it. And Sophie really and truly deserves to be fit because I've seen how much effort she makes to come to the gym after a hard day of work or when especially when she's shooting her songs and her videos, and you know, she works really hard, she's constantly performing. She makes sure she works out. So if anyone deserves to be fit and fits my mantra, totally it's Sophie.
सोफी जी, एक सवाल आपसे यहाँ
मैं आपको ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
नहीं चलेगा, मेरी आवाज
जी 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 जी।
सोफी जी, भारत में अगर चाय को किसी ने फेमस बनाया है तो वो है हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी। क्या उनको रेकमेंड करना चाहेंगे आप?
मैं बल्कि सोच ही रही थी कि मैं उनको कैसे पहुंचाऊं, और अगर आप देखेंगे ये एक्चुअली एक अनकॉन्शियस डिसीजन था। अगर आप हमारे ब्रांड के कलर्स देखेंगे वो हमारे फ्लैग से बिल्कुल मिलते जुलते हैं। इट्स वाइट, ऑरेंज एंड ग्रीन। और क्योंकि मोदी जी ने हमेशा कहा है थिंग्स शुड बी मेक इन इंडिया, दिस इज प्योरली मेक इन इंडिया। दिस इज आयुर्वेदिक, दिस इज द कलर्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री, दिस इज द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री ऑल इन वन फॉर आवर पीपल। सो या, तो मैं उम्मीद करूंगी कि मैं उनको भेजूंगी और वो मेरे लिए शायद एक ट्वीट भी करना।
Hello. I wanted to ask if you could share more details on the 30-day detox plan. What exactly?
Sure. The reason we say 30, actually you can take this for 2 or 3 months continuously, but we're giving it to people in terms of a month to start with. You have the morning tea every night for 30 days and the night tea every other night. So, सुबह के 30 tea bags हैं, शाम के 15, because it's the night tea that actually works a lot harder on your system, because detoxing is about cleansing from within. So you're talking about cleansing your system. The night tea bags have those kind of herbs and those kind of elements which will actually cleanse out your system. So I mean, you're definitely going to be going to the bathroom a lot more with this product, but that is part of detoxing and that is part of cleansing. And there's no dainty or pretty way to say it. That's just your body functioning better. And that's how the 30 days work. It's for 1 month. और अगर आपको अच्छा लगे, आपकी बॉडी को अच्छा फील कर रहा है, क्योंकि इसके कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है, you can go on for 2, 3, 4 months as you want.
So any last thoughts on FitTalks 30-day detox? Not just as a brand ambassador, but also a partner.
I mean, I think this is the biggest thing I can say is that a lot of people are brand ambassadors and faces of various products, but it's only really when you put your money where your mouth is that it matters, and I genuinely believe in the product, and that is why I'm a partner, that's why I've come on board with Gaurav and Hansika. That is why I've asked Yaz to be here. I've never asked her to endorse something along with me that I didn't believe was 100% correct. So I'm really proud to be part of FitTalks. I think it's definitely going to help improve people's systems. I think it's the easiest way to detox. I think for the festive season, chahe aap dulhan ho, dulhan ki mummy ya dulhan ki saheli, it's going to work like magic for you. And the most important thing I want to tell you is that my very own partner lost more than 2 kilos in 2 weeks. So this is not just for, how many? She's lost 4, he's lost 2. But it's not just for women. This product is for men and women. Don't think it's a herbal tea, so it's just girly. It's for everybody of all ages, and something that I think is definitely going to make your day-to-day life a lot better.
Well, then let the number game begin. How many kgs have you lost on a literal week-to-week basis?
Yeah, literally. I'm going to challenge you all to the 30-day detox, and I want to know how much you all have lost. Not just lost, how much better you're feeling. I guarantee you're all going to feel better, for sure. So yeah, I think it's time to detox with FitTalks.
Absolutely, and for that you need to religiously follow that 30-day program.
Oh, one other amazing thing that we're doing is we have a website, fittalks.fit, couldn't be cooler. We're putting up free diets for everybody on there, क्योंकि अगर आप FitTalks चाय पियोगे और फिर बड़ा पाव खाओगे, मैं आपके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. I mean, at the end of the day, if you want to live on 10 bada paos a day and then have this, and then you're saying, यार मेरा वजन कम नहीं हो रहा, तो इसके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. लेकिन अगर आप genuinely just to feel good ये पीना चाहते हैं, that's fine, and you can carry on having whatever diet you want. If you genuinely want to see a transformation, you go onto our website and we've got the diets for free, and those will definitely help you lose weight. And these are diets that I swear by, that I follow. Whatever I do, I'm sharing with everybody out there. So today my secrets are revealed.
Sure, so if you can eat one vada pav or not, we'll check that on the website. That's fittalks.fit.
Cheat day.
Yeah, cheat day. Well, thank you so much, and it's very simple. It's a pack, so even if you're traveling somewhere, you can definitely carry it with you. Helps you detox, but if you're going to Delhi, you need to carry a mask as well. Yeah? Once again, thank you so much to the friends and family from media. Thank you so much for joining us here.
Thank you all so much. You guys have always been supportive with whatever I do, and so thank you for being here. When Gaurav, Hansika and I take our first steps with FitTalks, thank you, and thank you, beautiful ladies. It meant a lot for you all to come here and be part of this, so thank you.
Congratulations to Sophie, Gaurav, Hansika on the launch, and thank you Yas for joining us here this evening. Thank you so much.
हिंदुस्तान में लोगों को चाय तो बहुत पसंद आती है, लेकिन फ़िटनेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखती है और आजकल सब लोग बहुत फ़िट होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो अगर हम इन दोनों चीज़ों को मिलाएं तो हमें FitTalks मिलेगा। एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट जिसके लिए आप फिट भी रह सकते हैं, उसका टेस्ट भी अच्छा है और आपको ढेर सारे बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे। और हम कह रहे हैं कि ये 30 दिन का है, लेकिन अगर आपको अच्छा लगे, अगर आपकी बॉडी को सूट करेगा, यू कैन टेक इट कंटिन्यूसली। इट हैज़ नो साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स और सबसे बढ़िया बात यह है कि इट्स प्योरली आयुर्वेदिक, मेड इन इंडिया, प्योरली आयुर्वेदिक, ऑल हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स।
आपने कैसा जर्नी रहा है, सिंगर, एक्ट्रेस और अभी एंटरप्रेन्योर? सो हाउ इज द जर्नी? कौन सा डिफिकल्ट पार्ट लगा है आपको?
एक्चुअली बहुत सारे लोग नहीं जानते कि आई कम फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस फैमिली। तो अगर मैं अपनी फैमिली की लाइन फॉलो करती तो मैं कभी बॉलीवुड आती नहीं, मैं हमेशा बिजनेस में ही होती। 60s 70s में यूके में मेरे पेरेंट्स ने सबसे पहले घी फैक्ट्री शुरू की थी, कुकिंग ऑयल फैक्ट्रीज, जो दुनिया भर में एक्चुअली बहुत मशहूर हो गई थी, एंड इट वाज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल ब्रांड। सो आई एम अ घी बेबी. Originally, today I'm a FitTalks baby because this is actually very close to what my family does. It's the food business. This is a little bit more on the health side, but मैं हमेशा maintain करती हूँ कि lifestyle should be fit and healthy, and that's why I really like this product. तो journey बहुत अच्छी रही है, लेकिन इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि singing और acting बंद हो जाएगी, वो जारी रहेगी।
कहीं ना कहीं आप मैम पंजाब से बिलोंग करती हैं, तो वहाँ के लोग काफ़ी हेल्दी होते हैं, लेकिन आप काफ़ी फिट दिख रही हैं।
जी, मेरी खूबसूरती का राज FitTalks नहीं। आई थिंक मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ एक्चुअली कि हालांकि मैं पली बड़ी अब्रॉड हूँ लंदन में और मैं मुंबई शिफ्ट हुई, बट ऑब्वियसली माई रूट्स आर पंजाबी, एंड आई एम समबडी हु बिलीव्स इन अ फिट एंड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल। मैंने कभी ये नहीं बिलीव किया है यू हैव टू स्टार्व, यू हैव टू बिकम स्किनी या फिट, येस, बट स्किनी एंड स्टार्विंग आर थिंग्स आई डोंट बिलीव इन। मैं हमेशा यही बिलीव करती हूँ कि आपका लाइफस्टाइल हेल्दी रहना चाहिए, बिकॉज we're so busy, we're working hard, you know, you want to spend time with family, friends, you want to travel, you want to do so many things in your life, और अगर आप fit और healthy नहीं होंगे आप ये नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो thank you for the compliment, but पंजाबी लोग होते हैं बड़े खूबसूरत।
30 days चैलेंज के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, इसमें दिया हुआ चैलेंज तो फिर
एक्चुअली ये चैलेंज आप लोगों के लिए मुश्किल नहीं है, ये चैलेंज एक्चुअली मैं अपनी तरफ से दे रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वांट टू चैलेंज यू टू बिलीव इन द प्रोडक्ट। ये एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो 30 डेज़ का है एक बॉक्स में। सुबह के लिए 30 टी बैग्स, 1 एवरी डे, एंड 15 टी बैग्स फॉर द नाइट, क्योंकि जो रात की चाय है वो आपके सिस्टम पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्क करती है, तो वो आप रोज़ नहीं ले सकते, वो एवरी अदर नाइट। डिटॉक्स पूरी दुनिया करना चाहती है, everyone's always talking about हमें डिटॉक्स करना है, बहुत स्ट्रेस हो गया है, डिटॉक्स करना है, बॉडी अच्छी फील नहीं कर रही, डिटॉक्स करना है, लेकिन किसी को पता नहीं कि डिटॉक्स कैसे करें। तो हमने ये आपके लिए बहुत ईजी बना दिया है। इट्स जस्ट 2 teas that you have to drink for 30 days and maintain a little bit of exercise, चाहे वो वॉक हो, चाहे सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ना हो, और मतलब थोड़ा सा अगर आपने अपने डाइट पे थोड़ा सा भी कंट्रोल करेंगे, 20% बेटर देन व्हाट यू यूजुअली डू, यू विल सी द रिजल्ट्स।
जैसा कि सोफी देखा जाए तो हमें इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ हमें कोई डाइट प्लान्स भी है।
जी बिल्कुल जी, क्योंकि मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मैं आपको चाय अगर दे दूँगी और अगर 30 दिन के बाद आप आके कहेंगे कि मेरा वेट कम नहीं हुआ, और मैं आपको आपके डाइट के बारे में पूछूंगी और आप मुझे कहेंगे कि हमने पाव भाजी खाए, वड़ा पाव खाया, ये सब दिन भर खाते रहे, तो देन ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क ग्रेट। इफ़ यू जेन्युइनली अपार्ट फ्रॉम जस्ट फीलिंग बेटर यू वांट टू लूज़ वेट, और जैसे कि मैं कहती हूँ यू वांट टू गेट दैट फ्लैट स्टमक, उसके लिए हमने हमारे वेबसाइट fittalks.fit पे हमने डाइट प्लान्स रखे हैं फॉर पीपल टू फॉलो, और ऐसे डाइट प्लान्स जो मैं खुद फॉलो करती हूँ। तो ये ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कहीं से भी उठा के कुछ भी हमने डाल दिया, मैं वही सारे सीक्रेट्स शेयर कर रही हूँ जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ, जो मैं बिलीव करती हूँ, क्योंकि लोग अक्सर मुझसे कहते हैं कि यू स्टिल लुक द सेम, or you look better, or how come you're fitter, or your skin's glowing, आपकी खूबसूरती का राज, all of these things, and it's just from my lifestyle, my diet, and now from FitTalks।
जैसे कि ऑलरेडी एक और एक ब्रांड है ग्रीन टी लिप्टन, वो भी सेम फिटनेस मंत्रा के ऊपर है, तो हाउ इट डिफरेंट आपके ब्रांड?
completely different. Green tea is something which is available anywhere and everywhere. Green tea के जो benefits हैं, yes it has antioxidants, but green tea can't help you get slim. It can only help you get slim अगर आप बाकी सारी चाय और बाकी सारा खाना छोड़ दें, it can help you, but Fitox has 21 Ayurvedic herbs in it. It's not just green tea. It's the highest quality white tea. It's oolong tea, which is known to be a fat burner. और 19 और herbs जिसकी वजह से आपका metabolism increase होता है, आपकी fitness बढ़ती है, आपकी energy बढ़ती है. So it genuinely works on all of these things. It actually has natural fat burners in it. So you are going to lose weight. It's not, I like green tea very much. This is a very different product.
Okay, जैसे कि normal हर celebrity fitness freak होता है and they avoid junk food, street food. So you are also the same.
Actually, मुझे I have a sweet tooth, तो मुझे मीठा खाने का शौक है. मुझे जंक फूड में इतना कोई शौक नहीं है, तो वो मेरे लिए वर्क करता है क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादातर हेल्दी खाना पसंद है. लेकिन मीठा मैं छोड़ती नहीं हूँ. Every day I have some dark chocolate, and if I see dessert in front of me, I'll definitely have a bite because I don't believe in starving yourself. I think if you want to have it, क्योंकि अगर आप अपने आप को डिप्राइव करेंगे तो बाद में आप पूरा डब्बा ही खा जाओगे. It's better to have a little bit and then get back to being your fit lifestyle.
मैम देखा जाए तो इंडिया भी आयुर्वेदिक की तरफ बढ़ रहा है. चाहे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट हो, जैसे रामदेव बाबा को देंगे तो सारे उनके आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट, तो क्या ऐसे भी कुछ कॉम्पिटिशन मिल सकते हैं जो रामदेव बाबा के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है?
उनके प्रोडक्ट से हमारा प्रोडक्ट उनके प्रोडक्ट से बहुत मुख्तलिफ हैं. आई थिंक वो भी अपनी जगह जो कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा है. लेकिन आई एम केटरिंग टू पीपल हु वांट टू गेट फिट, who believe in a particular lifestyle, who believe in herbal teas, who believe in Ayurveda. थोड़ा सा अलग है डेफिनेटली. और ख़ास तौर से मैंने अभी लॉन्च किया है क्योंकि फेस्टिव सीज़न आ रहा है और चाहे आप दुल्हन हो, दुल्हन की मम्मी, दुल्हन की सहेली, दुल्हन के दोस्त, everybody wants to look better for the party season, for the fit season, and in 30 days this is a product that can really help you do that. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि लोग आयुर्वेदा की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. मैं हमेशा यही कहती हूँ कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं और हम abroad के products को देखते हैं. We look at like all the stuff that's happening outside, and we look at what's happening in Hollywood, and we look at what's happening in America and England. लेकिन हमें अपने देश में देखना चाहिए कि हमारे पास क्या है. And I think I was asked this very nice question कि मोदी जी ने चाय पे चर्चा को famous किया. लेकिन if you look at my product and you even look at the colors, it's all about India. I believe in Make in India. I believe in Ayurveda, and I'm really happy to be a partner in this brand. जी यास्मिन का फिटनेस मंत्र यही है, इज़ बी फिट बिकॉज यू डिज़र्व इट, विच इज़ बेसिकली अ वे ऑफ सेइंग कि अगर आप सोचते नहीं हो कि आप डिज़र्व करते हो फिट होना, आप कभी फिट हो गए नहीं. You are number one. You have to look after your body. You have to respect your body. Only then will you be fit. You have to work for your body. You have to work for your fitness. That is why you deserve it. तो अगर आप उस पर थोड़ी मेहनत करेंगे, आप deserve करेंगे. And somebody like Yasmin, I mean, you can see the transformation in Alia, in Katrina, in Deepika. They are like the epitome of fitness, and I'm very happy to be one of the other girls that she trains like that. और मुझे खुद अपनी बॉडी में इतने results नज़र आते हैं. Everybody says it to me. In fact, even Bipasha just the other day, she was saying to me, you know, when you moved here, Sophie, you were not like this 10 years ago. Today, you are your fittest. Today, you are your best. And I feel it. And I feel that these are tips and secrets that we should be sharing with everyone.
दुल्हन की बात कर रहा था, देखा तो काफ़ी रूमर्स आए थे रिसेंटली. किस तरह का लड़का पसंद है आपको?
आप किसी को जानते हैं? मैं अभी तक वो लड़का ढूंढ रही हूँ. बट या आई थिंक मेरे लिए फैमिली वैल्यूज़ बहुत मायने रखते हैं. आई लाइक समबडी हु इज़ एंटरप्राइजिंग बिकॉज आई एम एंटरप्राइजिंग. मुझे लेज़ी लोग पसंद नहीं. मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं गो गेटर्स, पीपल हु आर डूइंग समथिंग विद देयर लाइफ, बिकॉज लाइफ इज़ वेरी शॉर्ट and you want to be an achiever, and obviously somebody who loves and respects me. I think end में वही डायलॉग हो जाता है, हर लड़की को वही चाहिए, true love, true respect, and that's the most important thing.
आपकी जो एल्बम थी हमेशा से मेरा बाबू चल छबीला, बहुत सारे एल्बम्स आपने किए, वो हमेशा
एक परदेसी मेरा दिल ले गया, सजन मैं नाचूंगी. हाँ जी.
उस अवतार में हम वापस आपको कब देंगे? आपकी कब नेक्स्ट हिट एल्बम आएगी?
I'm actually shooting for my new video this year itself, and you'll see it early next year. I'm very excited. I'm in great shape. I've got some great music, some great collaborations. शायद आप मुझे पंजाबी भी गाते हुए देखेंगे. So I'm very excited. I'm going to be shooting this year itself.
Dancing plus singing होगा?
For sure. Because I think मेरी जो image है, लोग मुझे डांस और सिंगिंग करते हुए देखना पसंद करते हैं, and that's what I'm going to do.
जैसा कि देखा जाए